Hello everyone, my name is Ameena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Star Streamer craft. First, you will want to paint glue onto 5 popsicle sticks. Once you have done that, you can cover your popsicle sticks with glitter and let it dry. Once you have covered the popsicle sticks in glitter, you can place them on top of one another in the shape of a star and glue them together. Once you have done that, decorate your star with gems or anything else you would like. Cut out a piece of ribbon and glue it to the back of your star to make a handle. Once you are satisfied with how your star looks, you're done. Thank you!